Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be an unboxing of the Apple iMac 21.5 inch Core i5 all-in-one desktop. This one is 8 gigabytes of memory and 1 terabyte hard drive. And I bought this from Amazon. It is renewed. I was in shock at the way it was packaged. As you guys saw, it was just in the box the way it was, but nothing came damaged. Everything was perfect. As you can see here, there are no damages. The only thing I did see was maybe like some dust in the back. Yeah, as you see right here, but that came right off with a towel. And in the back you'll see 4 USB ports, a microphone port or audio port, and I'm not really sure what the other ones are. And you guys, I only paid $600 for this desktop, and everything works perfect. Everything is all good. It looks beautiful. I'm obsessed with it, and I'm just so happy with my purchase. I definitely recommend, if you guys are interested, I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. But enough talking, just enjoy the rest of the video. I'm just going to be basically just decorating my desk. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.